Hey guys, here's some Lurk smokes I use to get mid control on split. At the start of the round, stand against the barrier and place your crosshair so that it's sitting on top of the bottom of the box like this, and left click. This will cover you from anybody holding the arch. From this side you can pick up your smoke and you have two different options. If you want to smoke male, stand at the right side of this poster, now aim in the middle of this K and just left click. With this, you can either go vents while male is blocked, or you can go into male and swoop peek to try and clear heaven. For a vent smoke, again stand at the right side of this poster. Now place your crosshair on top of this K like this. Now tap your backwards key slightly as you left click. This blocks vents and allows you to push male or swoop peek into vents. Lastly, if you want an easier smoke for mid, stand against the arch frame here. Now aim at the middle of the square between the two boxes and jump throw. This lineup is easier to do, but is not as effective as the one before.
Poison's off.